Look into the fire, my friends. Look at its profoundness and rekindle the fire in you to make the spirit strong, stronger than ever before.
Blaze is a story of a person, Divyansh, from whom time took away everything, one by one, but could not take one thing.
लेकिन मेरे लिए तो दिव्यांश कभी गया ही नहीं था, उसका बस हाथ शायद छूट गया, लेकिन वो और स्ट्रांगली मेरे पास आया और उस ड्रीम ने मुझे कभी गिरने नहीं दिया। बस मैं यही सोचती थी कि दिव्यांश जा नहीं सकता है, उसकी स्टोरी अधूरी नहीं रहेगी, हम लोगों को बताएंगे उसकी स्टोरी।
Every story that's screaming to be told comes with its own destiny. And every story chooses its own writer. It is not the writer who chooses the story. I think Divyansh chose that his story had to be written by his parents, and what better voice than his own mother's, who he idolized, and his father's, to tell the story.
This is wonderful. This book has given me a lot of joy. It is very strange that we are dealing about and talking about cancer. Acute lymphoblastic leukemia is a bad cancer affecting children and the young.
The essence, by reading his poems, I felt that he was grateful for the bad days and thankful for the good ones. Life got difficult and put him out, but blessed Divyansh was, there's no doubt. Thank you.
Book really gives us hope and confidence in the future. And I see that it's not a medical journal, it is not some of the things that will come through. So I wish this book every success. I hope more and more people read it. And I thank Sushil ji for the opportunity to say a few words. Thank you.
I wish that each one of you are able to read through the book and spend some time to reflect on the journey of the parents and the fighting spirit of the child. I wish all of us can learn something from Divyansh's life and therefore his message.
The important thing is he did it with a smile, as did his parents. Smile, fortitude, and he never let his creative instincts die out. In fact, instead of wallowing in self-pity, he produced a body of work by way of blogs, poetry, thoughts that his parents, after his passing away unfortunately, have been able to put together in this real labor of love. The book called Blaze, A Son's Trial by Fire.
To everybody, once they read this book,
दिव्यांश मरा नहीं, दिव्यांश मरते नहीं, जगह बदल लेते हैं, एक हायर प्लेटफॉर्म पे चले जाते हैं, एक हायर प्लेटू पे चले जाते हैं। पहले जमीन पर रहता था, अब अंबर का बाशिंदा है, मौत उसे क्या मारेगी, वो जिंदा था, वो जिंदा है।
So this story, A Son's Trial by Fire, is truly is a story that comes from extreme courage of how Divyansh fought throughout his life. It's going to be a very emotional read for all of you when you get this book. But I can tell you that once you've been through it, it can be a huge inspirational moment for all of us, because it has the capacity to transform the very triumph of human spirit. Blaze, A Son's Trial by Fire.
और मैं बस दिव्यांश को यही बोलना चाहती हूँ कि कोई अपनी माँ का ड्रीम ऐसे भी पूरा करता है क्या? वो खुद चला गया लेकिन मुझे ऑथर बना गया, मुझे नहीं पता मैं इस चीज़ को कैसे दूँ।